I'm here at the Swiss Nordic Bio conference in Zürich with Anders Weilandt, CEO of Chordate Medical. Anders, tell me quickly, what does Chordate do?
Chordate focuses on chronic migraine with a non-drug solution, a medtech solution. Short, very simple procedure. You do it maybe 4 times a year and you get a great reduction of headache days and migraine episodes.
Migraine is a very challenging area with a huge medical need. Where do you see the potential, I mean in financials then, for Chordate, if you succeed with everything?
Well, I mean, it's a huge thing, as you say. 1 person in 7 has migraine. The chronic migraine population is about 2% of the world. So that's a huge issue. And it costs society a lot of money in terms of productivity loss, sick days and so forth, but also care and medication. So every stakeholder in this has everything to gain from alternatives, because this is very hard to treat this condition as well. The pharma industry is about $9 billion annually in the 7 biggest markets. So there is a lot of savings to be done if you can get away, for some patients, from drugs, lose the relatively drastic side effect profiles that are existing, and also add another tool to the toolbox, because across the board, a lot of these alternatives that you can prescribe or treat your patients with only work for a fraction of the population. So they're always constantly looking for something else. So that is where we have our potential, and in terms of financial for that of course that number of patients tells the story. I can give you one example. In Sweden, in a recent study, about 120,000 Swedish crowns per year, or 11 or so thousand euros per year per patient. That is the cost to society for 1 chronic patient.
So a huge need. And speaking of searching for solutions, we're here in Switzerland today. What are you looking for here at the conference?
Well, this is a great thing, this conference here, because it combines financial interests from both private but also institutional investors looking for things to invest in, with industry. So we are also very interested in talking to people from major industry or global industry. They have scouts here on this floor looking for new projects to perhaps acquire. So that is why this is so interesting for us.
And what do you expect your key takeaways to be from this year's conference?
Hopefully an extended network with interesting people in all these areas, with which we can develop a communication as we go forward, because we are at the sort of end of our strategy. We have our IPR portfolio in place. We have a relatively good scientific evidence base now, which we're happy with. What we're doing now is building a proof of concept in market, which is the last box to tick in order for us to think that we are suitable to be acquired, which is ultimately the end game of this company, is to sell it.
Well, it sounds like you have an exciting year ahead of you, or time ahead of you. So we obviously wish you all the best of luck with that, and good luck with the meetings today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.